Make a great choice today with the 2018 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light, trip odometer. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.